Store. Join me as I show you how we do it over here. So guys, I'm going to show you the proof of our earnings so far, and I'm going to show you as well how to get to this level, how to get to this point. You can see in 30 days we are able to generate £5,000. Is that not massive? That is massive. Like in 7 days, this is £755. This is just 7 days earning. So this is our progress so far. So guys, I have created a detailed step-by-step guide on all you need to do to achieve this particular result, and I'm going to leave a link to that guide in the description of this particular video. All you need to do is to just head over to the description of this particular video and click on the link. It will take you to where you will have access to the course and explore, right? Okay, that being said, I'll take you back to my laptop and show you how to create Google Playbook account. Okay, so this is how to create Google Playbook account. The first thing to do is to come to Google Play Partner Center, touch the keyword on your search box, and it will take you to this place. To take you here. So when you're here, come to get started now. So when you come to get started now, you choose self publisher. No, don't choose publisher, just choose self publisher account. And before now, you should get your payment details ready. But then this particular account is a UK account, so we are trying to create a UK Google Play account. Remember, Google Play account is not for every country, so this particular account is for UK account, and that's the account we're going to create now. So you get your the name on your payment detail, place it as your publisher's name. Okay, and then the next thing is you select your country. Of course, like I said, we are creating a UK Google Play account. Okay, then website, no. If you have a phone number, you can put your phone number. If you don't have, good and fine. Next, hit on next, then it will take you to this particular interface. From here you check you are not a robot. Of course, we are not a robot. And you hit enter. Of course, you agree to their terms, and we move to the next interface, to the next section. So over here we need to enter our payment detail. Of course, you enter your name, the name in your payment detail, and you select your account type and country. Account type is individual, and you select your country, which, like I said, this is a UK account. Select UK. Okay, and then we move. Okay, yeah, individual. Our account is individual. And then here, of course, you have to input your name, the name in your payment detail. And here, this particular place is for the address. We use our address as it is in our payment detail. Okay, our address. And yeah, Okay, yes, I think we are done here. Everything is set and you submit. That's all we need to do here. You submit. Yes, we hit submit and we move to the next stage. Of course, our payment details remain here. We'll have to link our bank detail. If since we're done with our payment details, we'll link our bank here, add your payment, and you come to this place. Here you have to put in the name in the payment detail, which is our name. Of course, copy the way it is over there and paste it here. Okay, and the next is our account details or sort code. You place your sort code over here, and the next is our account number. Yes, just get your account number and you hit it, you place it here. Okay, and we move. You save, and it will take us to the next stage. Now we are done with our we are done adding our payment detail. Over here, Google is going to send you a particular amount, and just to confirm that this account number can receive payment. When they send it, you add it over here. Yes, just add it here and verify. They'll send it within 3 business days. Just check your account, and as soon as it comes, you add it here, and of course your payment detail will be fully verified. And then the next is our tax information. And this is exactly how to verify your tax info. When you come here, you come to manage tax info. It will lead us to this particular dashboard here. Over here, you hit add tax info, click on tax info and fill in the form. Just follow the instruction. It's very basic here. It's very basic. Verify your Google account, which they just want to be sure you are the one, because this is a very sensitive section. You have to be very careful. Okay, and then here our account, like I said, our account is individual. Hit individual and you just follow the instruction as we go. You save and next. Just say no, next. Okay, and of course, yes, that's an individual form, the first one, web W8 form. Yes, and then I'll wait for the next stage. Okay, over here, these two are optional. Of course, the first is your name, and this is optional, and this is optional as well. Then here you have to select your country, United Kingdom. Okay, optional, yeah, leave it that way. And next, so over here you have to fill in your address. You know where I get this address from now, from our payment details. I just click autofill and it fill the form itself. Okay, yes, we move, and then over here just check the box and it will take us to the next stage. Okay, here you will, of course, we don't fill in the above. The next is just to okay, over here you just say no, yeah, next, yes, and next. Okay, and then check the box, yes, and it will take us to the next. Hit next. After that, hit next, and satisfy, next, and check the box up, check the box, yes, check the box, and it will take us to the next stage. Check the box. This are just basically just follow the instruction the way I'm doing it, and here, so over here you just have to be sure that everything is okay, and you hit submit, and of course we are approved. Of course they'll give us approval. Yes, we just get approval. Our tax info is approved. If you did not do it well, if you did not follow the instruction, of course you will not get approval. Go back home, go back to the dashboard. You see that the 3 sections are fully verified, and our next class will be on how to add your Facebook, how to get your Facebook published on Google Play Store.